So the vertices given are positive and negative 4, 0, and the foci given are positive and negative 6, 0. So first we're going to graph out the vertices at negative 4, 0 and positive 4, 0. Then we're going to graph out the foci at negative 6, 0 and positive 6, 0. Once we have that information, then we can draw the graph. We know that the distance from the origin to the vertex is equal to A, and the distance from the origin to the foci is equal to C. So A equals 4 and C equals 6. And of course the origin is 0, 0, which is equal to H and K. To find the rest of the information needed to write the equation, we're going to use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. We know that our c is equal to 6 and our a is equal to 4, so we're going to plug in those numbers and solve for b squared. B squared is equal to 20. The standard form equation is x squared divided by a squared minus y squared divided by b squared equals 1. When we plug in our a squared and b squared, for our final answer we get x squared divided by 16 minus y squared divided by 20 equals 1.
So I chose to do question number 9, and in this question we were given the vertices of 0, plus or minus 2, and the foci of 0, plus or minus 4. And since our graph is vertical, we are going to use the standard form of y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. And we have to find our hk, which is the center, and that is 0, 0. And then we have to find a, which is the distance from the origin to the vertex, and that's 2. And then c equals 4, and that is the distance from the origin to the foci. And then we have to find b, and to find b we have to use the Pythagorean theorem, and we should get b equals the square root of 12. And then we should put this all in our equation and end up with y squared over 4 minus x squared over 12 equals 1.